The Clarke COBDII-E engine fault code reader is an essential automotive service tool, which is ideal for both professional and home diagnostic use. Able to diagnose and read faults on most vehicles built since 1996, it can also retrieve VINs on 2002 or newer vehicles. It's an essential bit of kit for any mechanic or car enthusiast looking to save time and money by taking the guesswork out of identifying faults on their cars. Simple to use, the fault code reader connects to the vehicle systems via the diagnostic link connector. This is likely to be under the dashboard or perhaps in the center console, depending on your vehicle. Compatible with all vehicles fitted with a standard 16-pin connector, this Clarke COBDII-E fault code reader is able to display and clear fault codes on its easy-to-read LCD screen. Faults such as engine misfires, fuel system problems, catalyst performance, air conditioning, and much more can all be analyzed and cleared with the COBDII-E. Once cleared, you are able to rescan the vehicle instantly to confirm the fault's resolution. If you want to save on expensive garage fees by pinpointing vehicle faults yourself in minutes, then the compact Clarke COBDII-E fault code reader is the cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for you that can pay for itself with a single use.